Welcome to the world of Open Sandbox, the production-ready AI agent sandbox released by Alibaba. In March 2026, Alibaba made waves by launching this open-source platform, offering developers a secure and isolated environment for AI agents. Imagine hiring a brilliant but unpredictable intern who can write code in seconds, but you're always worried they might accidentally delete your files or crash your system. That's what running AI agents used to feel like, until Open Sandbox arrived. This video will guide you through what Open Sandbox is, why it matters, and how it's changing the landscape for AI developers everywhere. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a sandbox in the context of software and AI? A sandbox is a walled-off space where software can run freely without interacting with anything outside its boundaries. You already use sandboxes every day. When you open a website, your browser runs it in a sandbox, preventing the site's code from accessing your files or installing anything on your computer. Similarly, apps on your phone are sandboxed by the operating system, restricting their access to sensitive features unless you grant permission. AI agents need this kind of isolation more than ever. Modern AI agents are far more than simple chatbots. They can write and run code, browse the web, interact with websites, read and modify files, execute terminal commands, and even train machine learning models using real data. This power comes with risks. If an AI agent makes a mistake or is tricked by a malicious instruction, it could delete important files, expose sensitive data, or crash an entire system. That's why isolation is critical. Without it, one error could compromise everything. Before Open Sandbox, AI developers face tough choices. Option 1. Run the agent on your own machine, fast and easy, but risky. One mistake, and your files could be gone. Option 2. Pay for a cloud sandbox service, safe but expensive, with permanent fees and vendor lock-in. Option 3. Build your own isolation system, the safest, but it requires weeks of engineering work unrelated to your actual AI product. Most developers chose the first option and hoped for the best, but that wasn't sustainable. Open Sandbox changes everything. It gives every AI agent its own clean, isolated room to work in. Think of it as a glass box. The agent can see everything and do its work, but nothing escapes the box. When the task is done, you throw the box away, and everything inside disappears. This approach ensures that your files and systems remain untouched, no matter what the agent does. It's a game changer for AI safety and reliability. Open Sandbox's architecture is built on 4 layers that work together seamlessly. First, SDKs. These are the tools developers use to interact with Open Sandbox from their code, supporting languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, Kotlin, and C#. Second, specs, a set of rules that define how sandboxes are created and shut down, ensuring consistency across languages. Third, runtime, the engine that runs the sandboxes, compatible with Docker on your laptop and Kubernetes in the cloud. Finally, sandbox instances, the actual isolated rooms where the AI agent operates. The first layer of Open Sandbox is the SDKs. These software development kits allow developers to communicate with Open Sandbox directly from their code. Whether you're using Python, JavaScript, Java, Kotlin, or C#, the SDKs make integration straightforward. This flexibility means developers can use their preferred programming languages and still benefit from the security and isolation Open Sandbox provides. The second layer is specs. Specs are a set of rules that define how sandboxes are created and shut down. No matter which programming language you use, the specs ensure that the sandbox behaves consistently. This uniformity is crucial for developers working across different platforms and environments, making Open Sandbox a reliable choice for production-grade AI deployments. The third layer is the runtime. This is the engine that actually runs the sandboxes. Open Sandbox's runtime works with Docker on your laptop and Kubernetes in the cloud, giving you flexibility to deploy sandboxes wherever you need them. Whether you're running tests locally or scaling up in the cloud, the runtime ensures your AI agents operate in a secure, isolated environment. The fourth layer is sandbox instances. These are the actual isolated rooms where the AI agent does its work. Each instance is a self-contained environment, ensuring that whatever happens inside stays inside. When the task is complete, the instance can be destroyed, taking all its contents with it. This approach guarantees that your main system remains untouched and secure. Open Sandbox offers 4 different types of sandboxes to suit various AI agent needs. Coding agent sandboxes are designed for agents that write and run code, such as Claude Code or OpenAI Codex. GUI agent sandboxes provide a virtual desktop for agents that need to click, browse, or fill out forms. Code execution sandboxes are for running scripts quickly in isolation. RL training sandboxes are for reinforcement learning, giving AI models a safe space to learn by trial and error. Coding agent sandboxes are perfect for AI agents that write and run code. Tools like Claude Code, OpenAI Codex, and Google Gemini CLI integrate seamlessly. The agent writes code, tests it, and fixes it all within the sandbox. Your computer never sees any of it, ensuring that your files and system are safe from accidental or malicious changes. GUI agent sandboxes are designed for agents that need to interact with graphical interfaces. Whether browsing websites, filling out forms, or using desktop apps, these sandboxes provide a full virtual desktop environment. The agent can click, type, and navigate all within the sandbox, keeping your main system secure and isolated from any unintended actions. Code execution sandboxes are built for running scripts quickly and efficiently. You give the agent a task like processing data or running a calculation, and it executes it in an isolated environment. You can even watch the output stream in real time, knowing that your system is protected from any potential errors or security risks. RL training sandboxes are tailored for reinforcement learning. This is where AI models learn by trial and error, with checkpoints saved along the way. Open Sandbox gives this process its own safe space, ensuring that learning experiments don't interfere with your main system or data. It's ideal for developing and testing advanced AI models. Starting with Open Sandbox is incredibly easy. Just 3 commands are needed to set up a production-grade sandbox on your machine. First, install the server with pip. Second, initialize the configuration file. Third, start the server. That's it. You're ready to run AI agents in a secure, isolated environment. The simplicity of setup makes Open Sandbox accessible to everyone, from solo developers to large enterprises. Integrating Open Sandbox with Python is straightforward. You import the Sandbox module, create a safe room, run commands inside it, and destroy the room when done. The code runs in complete isolation, ensuring your files are never touched. This workflow demonstrates how Open Sandbox makes secure AI agent deployment simple and efficient for developers. Open Sandbox is completely free and open source, released under the Apache 2 license. There are no fees and no vendor lock-in. This means developers and companies can use, modify, and deploy Open Sandbox without worrying about costs or restrictions. The open source nature encourages community contributions and rapid improvement. The significance of Open Sandbox goes beyond developers. Gartner predicts that by the end of 2026, 40% of enterprise apps will have AI agents built in. This means HR, finance, customer service, and more will rely on AI agents for critical tasks. Ensuring these agents run safely is not just a developer concern, it's a business and security imperative. Open Sandbox makes production-grade safety accessible to everyone. Before Open Sandbox, only large companies with dedicated infrastructure teams could afford to build robust safety layers for AI agents. Now, even solo developers can access the same production-grade security that Alibaba uses internally. This democratization of AI safety is a major step forward, leveling the playing field for innovation and deployment. Why did Alibaba give Open Sandbox away for free? It's a strategic move, similar to Google's release of Kubernetes and Meta's release of React. By open sourcing foundational infrastructure, the community improves it, and it becomes the standard. The company earns trust, talent, and influence. Alibaba is betting that the future of AI depends on safe, scalable infrastructure, not just the smartest models. The developer community responded enthusiastically to Open Sandbox. Within 2 days of its release, the project gathered over 7,000 GitHub stars and more than 500 forks. This rapid adoption signals that developers everywhere recognize the importance of safe, isolated environments for AI agents. The momentum is strong, and Open Sandbox is quickly becoming the standard. Think of Open Sandbox as a glass box. The AI agent can see everything it needs to do its job, but nothing it does can escape the box. When the task is finished, the box is discarded, and everything inside disappears. This analogy helps illustrate the core principle of isolation and safety that Open Sandbox brings to AI agent deployment. Open Sandbox is not just a tool, it's production-grade, battle-tested security built by Alibaba for their own workloads. It's designed to handle real-world demands, ensuring that AI agents can operate safely at scale. This level of security is now available to everyone, regardless of company size or resources. One of the biggest advantages of Open Sandbox is the absence of vendor lock-in. You can run it on your laptop or in the cloud, and you're free to modify and adapt it as needed. This flexibility empowers developers and companies to build solutions that fit their unique needs without being tied to a single provider. Alibaba's vision for Open Sandbox is clear. The future of AI is not just about smarter models, but about safer, scalable infrastructure. By providing a free open-source platform, Alibaba is helping set the standard for how AI agents should be deployed and managed. This infrastructure-first approach is shaping the next generation of AI applications. Let's recap the 3 most important points. First, AI agents need a safe room without isolation. One mistake can compromise your entire system. Second, Open Sandbox is that safe room. Production-grade, battle-tested, and built by Alibaba for their own workloads. Third, it's free and ready to use, with an Apache 2 license and simple setup. These takeaways highlight why Open Sandbox is a breakthrough for AI safety and accessibility. The AI agent revolution is moving fast, and the tools to make it safe are now free and accessible. Open Sandbox empowers developers, businesses, and researchers to build AI solutions with confidence. As adoption grows, the knowledge and best practices for safe AI deployment are spreading rapidly. The future is bright for AI agents, thanks to platforms like Open Sandbox. With the tools and knowledge now available, it's up to developers and organizations to use Open Sandbox wisely. Building AI the right way matters more than most people realize. The platform is here, the community is growing, and the standards for safe AI deployment are rising. Responsible use will ensure that AI agents continue to benefit society without compromising security. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Open Sandbox and the future of safe AI agent deployment. The tools are here, the knowledge is spreading, and the community is growing stronger every day. As you explore and build with Open Sandbox, remember that safety, accessibility, and innovation go hand in hand. See you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the practical applications and best practices for deploying AI agents securely.